Here's my Canedy Otto manufacturing drill press. It says E29. I'm not sure if that's an indication of a model number. Also on the back you can see the motor is a Ohio alternating current motor. It's a 110 cycle, 5 amps, quarter horsepower, etc. I replaced the belt on the top with just a modern belt, but the original belt was this belt here, which not much to speak of, old splice belt, but can be used for display. And then if I turn the drill around, you see the other side of the casting, it says Chicago Heights. It's a really cool switch on it. The off is up, opposite of what you expect. And then there's on the left side a BD30, which may also be indication of a model number. It actually works really well. You can see even a little thing on the oil thing here. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, show you that it works. This actually rotates back. Get that so it's lined up pretty well. And let's see, I have a little piece of metal, and I'll turn it on. Oops, I have to plug it in to turn it on. So, got that plugged in. There is a little bit of a concern with the wire there that maybe could be fixed, so we'll go ahead and run it. It's full speed. See the belts turning on the top. Motor, things working nicely, and I'm just gently pressing down ever so lightly. That's all the way through. Just a little bit of a dimple on it. It works very well. Nice old drill press. It's almost like a Camelback, but not quite. You can loosen this and drop it down or bring it up. That works fine. Just a nice drill. There's looks like some paint left on the casting, and then on the motor, the paint is obviously just immaculate, and even where it looks bad, it's mostly grease. It's mostly just grease in there. Right there, it's missing paint, but over here, just old grease. Anyway, thought I'd share my old drill press. Hope you enjoyed this. One more interesting thing is the chuck right there. Let's see if I can get the focus on it. It says it's a NIELSEN BARTON chuck and tool, LAWTON, Michigan. There it is. Get my drill out. The pulleys. Top one, I'm not sure that is for, but there's two speeds, and of course a greaser here.